To enter information in a cell, follow the 3 steps shown on the screen. Let's try these steps by entering January in cell A1. I first select the cell A1 to make it the active cell. We need to select a cell because any information typed in with the keyboard will always be entered in the current active cell. Second, with the help of the keyboard, I type in January. Third, I press the Enter key. Notice that after hitting Enter, the cell below becomes the active cell. Excel does this to help you enter information in the cell below, so you will not need to select the next cell by yourself. Now I type in February and hit Enter. Now I type in March and hit Enter. As you can see, I did not have to select the cells for February and March because Excel automatically selected these cells after I hit Enter. To delete information entered in a cell, just select the cell and press the Delete key. For instance, I click on the cell A1 and press the Delete key. As you can see, January was deleted. Now, I'll enter information horizontally. I first select cell A3. Second, I type in January. Third, I press the right arrow key. I press the right arrow key instead of the Enter key because I want to continue entering the next month in the cell located on the right. Now I enter February and hit the right arrow key. Now I enter March and hit the right arrow key. In summary, to enter information in a cell, you need to make it active by selecting it. Then just type in from your keyboard. Hi there! You've landed at the right place because we have what you need to transform you from an Excel novice to an Excel guru at your workplace in no time. Don't waste time and sign up for the free Excel tutorial today. Take a chance and enjoy your journey to a better life. Sign up at www.excelatwork.org.